What's up, everybody? Colton Lawn Outdoors here. So we're gonna go ahead and head out to the spot we were at last week, and we're gonna just try to catch some more fish. It's been raining all day, and the spot that I wanted to get to today, I'm not even gonna try since that road's probably all muddy to begin with, and it's been raining cats and dogs. So we're just gonna go back to that other spot. There's another spot right before it. We'll probably try that too, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. First spot is this spot, that spot, and there's another spot over there. So stay tuned. Starting to rain a little bit, but that's okay. I think I got him. Or I thought I had him. Oh! Did you see that? He went after it. He was like that big. That thing was tiny.
Well, there's your answer.
I couldn't tell what that thing was.
Right?
Huh?
What?
Oh, I thought you pointed.
I'm looking at my wrist.
There we go.
Oh my
Look
word.
how tiny that thing is. It's a little brookie.
I was gonna say it had some weird colors.
Look at that. That thing's 6 inches, if that. Come on. Okay, that one's a little better. Oh my goodness, look at the colors on him.
Is that a brown? No, it's not brown.
Come here, buddy. Come here.
Wow.
That is a beautiful brook trout. This is why I like brook trout so much. They're the prettiest fish. Here, take a picture. This one's about 8 inches long. There we go. No!
No. No.
That felt like a good one too.
It looks like it.
I didn't set the hook hard enough. I thought I did.
Yeah.
Good one, as in probably 8-inch brook trout.
Well, yeah. I don't think there's any master anglers in here.
No. There, I got this one. This one's not very big.
Nope.
Oh! Yeah, I get... There we go.
Yeah.
That feels like a decent one. Whoa! Now, that's a cutthroat.
Oh, so there are cutthroat.
That's a small cutthroat. Yeah. Oh, crud.
Dude, that thing is...
That's why I thought he got off a couple times. Alright, hold on. Ow. Hold on, buddy. Another small one. That one's probably 5.5 inches, not years old, obviously.
Yeah.
And you go.
Don't let one of those swallow that.
No, well, I don't think he can.
Probably not, but... Do you even know the limit on brook trout?
It was 16.
Huh?
It was 16 at one point. I might not be now. I should have a book in the car, though.
Yeah. My jacket might have to come off.
Huh?
Said my jacket might have to come off.
I know, that feels good. I just turned the camera off. Oh, that's a pretty one.
Yeah. That's
Wow.
dark.
Look at the colors. Uh-oh. I don't have my knife on me.
I don't either. Want me to go get it real quick?
Yeah, please. And get a hook too. Oh no.
Oh.
That's not good.
Here comes the hail.
There's the hail. Oh. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and head to the second spot. It was the same spot I caught that one cutthroat last week. The one that was the big feature in last week's video, but we'll see what happens. We got hailed on for a little bit, and then it rained for a little bit, and then it's back to being sunny again, so we'll go see what the other spot has to offer, and after that, probably just end up going home. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're at the second spot. The first cast. Perfect. Yeah, it's alright. Because it's in a canyon. Because we're in a canyon. Alright guys, we just got home. We stayed at that second spot for about half hour, 45 minutes, and no bites. Fish weren't really active. Only saw like one jump or whatever. But if you guys like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.